हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग कैसे होंगे? अच्छे होंगे और स्वस्थ होंगे और पढ़ाई में व्यस्त होंगे और मेरे वीडियो के लिए वेट कर रहे होंगे। तो इससे पहले कि आज सबसे वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स है ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। कुछ ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के हमारे पास कुछ पार्ट्स हैं, मैकेनिकल्स, केमिकल्स एंड प्रोसेस है, इंजेशन, डाइजेशन, एब्जॉर्शन, एस्मलाइजेशन, इंजेशन। ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने एक वीडियो में डाल दी थी और आप सबको समझा दिया था। इंजाइम्स है, रेगुलेशन, कुछ की ऑफ द ऑर्गन फंक्शंस हैं, जैसे माउथ है, स्टोमक है, लीवर है, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन है, पेंक्रियाज है एंड लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज ह्यूमन डाइजेशन इन ह्यूमन बींग्स। द ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम कंसिस्ट एलिमेंट्री कैनल एसोसिएटेड विद द डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड्स। एलिमेंट्री कैनल, the human alimentary canals is nearly a 7 and 8 meters long या 10 meter long of the tube extend from the mouth to the anus. The alimentary canal consists of the buccal cavity, esophagus, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, ileum, small intestine, large intestine and rectum. It very important part. Hello student, mouth and buccal cavity. Mouth is the slit like opening in the guarded externally by two lips and the internally by the teeth. Second, mouth open into the chamber or cavity called of the buccal cavity. Third, of the both upper and lower jaws and provide with the in 4 different kinds of the teeth: incisor, canines and premolars. और अब यहाँ पर इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है टीथ फार्मूला। ए मेच्योर ह्यूमन ऑफ द मेच्योर टीथ ऑफ द 21/23 इक्वल 8/8 इंटू 2 बराबर 16/16, टोटल 32 नंबर ऑफ टीथ। एंड मिल्क टीथ ऑफ द क्या फार्मूलाज क्या हैं? 20/21 बराबर 5/5 इंटू 2 बराबर 10/10 20। तो मिल्क टीथ 20 होते हैं। एंड नेक्स्ट ऑफ द इंसीजर, द बक्कल कैविटी रिसीव द सिक्रेशन 3 ऑफ द पेयर इन द सिलेवरी ग्लैंड्स होती हैं एंड थ्रू देयर डक्ट्स इन द ह्यूमन सिलेवरी कंटेंट्स ऑफ द एंजाइम टाइलिन maltose and which digest starch into the maltose condition. Teeth are the hard structure which are the present on the bones of the jaw. These are the used. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आप लोग इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए, बेल आइकन रहे, क्योंकि क्लास 10th इंग्लिश मीडियम का ये टॉपिक्स है डाइजेस्टिव। तो इंजेशन ऑफ द माउथ बक्कल कैविटी टंग्स आर द इन सेलिवरी ग्लैंड्स प्रेजेंट ऑफ द इन 3 पेयर्स ऑफ द फेरिंग्स एंड 12.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड ओसोफेगस ऑफ द 25 सेंटीमीटर लार्ज इन द डायफ्राम अटैच इन द स्टोमक पार्ट। And for the in stomach part of the mechanical part present of the pancreas, chemical digestion, gastric subcomponents, proteins and the listers, gastric co-endangers in review chemical and pyloric walls. And absorption small liver of the in right hand side liver, presence of the gallbladder, bile duct and pyloric and pancreas juice in the absorption of the small intestine, swollen in the invoice microvilli, fine enzymes of the specific enzyme, and large intestine present of the small intestine for the attach in the appendicitis, digest the appendicitis in the infection for the appendicitis disease. And large intestine water absorptions and formation pieces in the final stage of egestions. In teeth the grinding करना, cutting है, chewing and the food. Second of the like of the mammals, the teeth like other mammals in the teeth, human beings are the in thecodents in the fixed job in the bone socket. Diaphragms arise 2 times of the in life cycle in the heterodont, not of the in same. Human of the 4 types of the teeth: incisor cutting foods, canine tearing and the foods, premolar crushing and the chewing foods, and molar are also in the crushing, grinding and the chewing of food. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आप बताते हैं टंग्स। टंग क्या है? इट इज ए हाईली मस्कुलर ऑर्गन विच इज द यूज इन द regulation, meaning गलत है regulation test and the speech. The surface of the tongue in the bears special minute evolutions called of the in lingulus in the papilli. Human taste buds can the recognize in the sessions of four in basic stage: sweet, bitter, salty, sour. The pharynx of the next part. A small funnel shaped is the pharynx, which is the leads along of the in tubular esophagus. It is a large of the 25 centimeters. And posterior pharynx in the contain two of the tubes and the trachea's windpipes and the esophagus. Trachea go in the lungs, while the esophagus open up the in the stomach parts. Stomach parts and the opening of the trachea is called glottis. It is the guarded by the cartilaginous leads called of the epiglottis structures. Has the definition: the process breaking down complex food molecules in the simpler further in the figure according. The figure types of that is mechanical chewing, swimming during in caring for the physically breaking molecular birds for the conditions and process of the conditions. Ingestion, taking of the food in mouth. Digestion is the breaking down of food. Absorption, taking nutrition into blood. Assimilation is the using of the nutrients in the digestion, elimination of the waste. Very important. Mouth is the पहले में teeth and salivary amylase salt. Stomach is the HCl hydrochloric in the bacteria, kills in the pepsin, break of the protein, gastric juice of the liver, secret bile juice, fats of the emulsified in the small intestine, measure of the digestion and absorption. Villi, the microvilli, increase the surface areas and the pancreas, produce of pancreatic juice in the trypsin, lipase, amylase and connect of the duodenum, large intestine of the fish, water of the absorption. But study for the in mucus. Important key of the mucus is the thick jelly like viscous liquid. It is a present of the entire alimentary canals. Lubricate the process for the easy in the movement of the food and also protect in the mucosa of alimentary canal from the harmful effect of the digestive juice and the acidic of the in stomach. Ulcer क्या condition? We know that of the inner lining of gut is called of the mucosa and it is a well protected by mucus in sometimes when the secretion of the mucus poor. Hydrochloric acid is the HCl and hydrochloric in stomach or the other digestive juice is the damage for the mucosa of alimentary canals, and due to this a round and the depressed in the lesions appears on the mucus. These lesions are called of the ulcer. The importance of the small intestine. The small intestine is a coiled of the narrow tube like the longest part of the alimentary canal. It is about of the 6.5 meters long in the adult man. Small intestine divide into the three parts: duodenum, proximal part, jejunum's middle parts, and ileum of the in distal parts. Duodenum is U-shaped in end of the 25 centimeter long structure. It is attached to the pylorus. It is received to the opening common duct of the which bring secretion on the liver and pancreas. Liver is the bile juice and pancreas juice. Second of the jejunum. The jejunum has diameter about of the 4 centimeter long and no chemical digestion take place in this part. Ileum is the longest part of the small intestine as well as in the alimentary canal. The diameters in the ileum 3.5 centimeters and it is wall of the thinner than that of the jejunum. It is the place of where digestion is completed and maximum absorption of food take place. And next condition, the wall of the small intestine have in the many long finger like projection. These are the projection in the villi, and the villi is increase the surface area of the inner lining of the intestine. Small intestine is the place where of the digestion of the food like carbohydrates, proteins and fats it completed. It is also the main site for the absorption of digested foods. The large intestine open into a large intestine. It is a smaller and long of than the small intestine, but is the diameter is the larger. It is divided into three parts. First part of the cecum, small pouch-like part. Second of the colon, middle longer part of the third point of the rectum, board of the distal part. Rectum open to the outside throat in the anus, and the large intestine serve to the absorb water and minerals from the food. Undigested food is the sent for to rectum, therefore it is passed out through anus. Next of the associated digestive glands. Glands in the associated with the digestive systems are salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. The salivary gland, there are the three pairs of the salivary glands for the buccal cavity of man. These are the in first of the in sublingual of the below of the tongue, submandibular of the below jobs, lower jobs and each side, and the parotid just on the front and the beneath each of ear. These glands secreted salivary. Salivary is the slightly pH value 6.3 points and to 6.8 for the fluid containing the water of the acidic medium, and salt, mucus, and two enzymes of the salivary in the ptyalin and maltose. Liver, it is the longest glands in the body. It is and the exocrine glands in the adult of the liver weights about of the 1.5 kg yani 1.5 kilogram. It is located in the upper right side in the abdominal cavity. The liver has of the two lobes there. These are the called in the right lobe and the left lobes. Bile containing the bile pigments and the bile salt in the secreted by the liver cells and concentrated and the store in the gallbladders. The bile does not contain the enzyme, but it is served to the alkaline mediums of the duodenum. It also helps to the emulsify fats, and emulsification means of the breaking of the fat molecules in the small globule. Next important gland of the pancreas. Pancreas of the in mix of the glands of the pancreatic gland. It is a soft and the highly lobulated pinkish gland. It is about of the 2.5 centimeter 3 centimeter wide and the 10 and 12 centimeter longs, and it is the second largest gland is the body located below the stomach. It is a mix of the gland. The pancreas lies in the C-shaped curve for the inconditioned duodenum, and the exocrine regions of the pancreas secreted digestive enzymes in the like of the trypsin, chymotrypsin, and beta amylase extracta, and the endocrine glands is the secret hormones insulin, somatostatin, and glucagon. Both bile in the pancreatic juice enter the duodenum and through common ducts. The enzyme of the pancreasis, that is the trypsins, chymotrypsins, and beta amylase work in an alkaline medias. Next important of the physiologically of the digestion, the process which large and the complex compound of the food or the complefieds to the their small and the simple form called the digestion. Digestive process occurs only of the carbohydrates and fats and the protein. First, completion of the food condition complex of the food particles, simplified food in the refilling for particles along. Next part of the carbohydrates, polysaccharide, starch, and disaccharides in maltose, lactose, and sucrose. And next, simplified monosaccharides, glucose, fructose, and galactose. In protein of the complex protein, peptine in the proteaginous, and the polysaccharides and the amino acids. Fats the complex in the fats, and the trigly in the waxydes in the fatty acids, and the glycerides. All students are the important in digestive plant. Is the very board exam. What is the in digestion? What is the glands? Liver gland, pancreas glands, and liver gland, pancreas glands it presents. Next of the indigestion of food materials. What is the ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and equations are the important of the question. Next of the physiology of the human digestive systems, and it is important of dental formula, milk and the permanent tissue. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स आप लोग इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए, बेल आइकन दबाइए और कमेंट्स अवश्य लिखिए, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको अवेलेबल कर सकूँ। ओके।